Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? The first time testing out the GoPro. So, I'm just about to drive around and cut a little bit, nothing too much. Just want to see how I like the GoPro. Let me put it on my head for y'all. Make sure I'm recording. I want you guys to be able to really see. Y'all can see. I think y'all should be able to see like this, maybe. Yeah, that looks better. I'm going based off the little mirror. But yeah, I'm kind of low on gas, so just about to cut up a little bit, waste my gas just a little bit, then go put some in there. I'm just driving around. A little too much for real. I know y'all like the ambient lighting. Here, go straight to here. It's a little laggy sometimes, but you just gotta keep tapping it. I got the color changing fogs too, it's the same way. So you gotta mess with the app, turn it on and off, connect to the Bluetooth. Yeah, but after it's connect, yeah, I see it. White, blue. I can go over here, do static blue. I can color jump change. Wait, change. I can change how fast it's changing. Y'all see that? Hope y'all can see that for real. I can slow it down. So yeah, but my favorite is the 7-color crossfade. I can do the red gradual. It's a whole bunch. I'm not about to go through here. It's just not an ambient light tutorial for real. But yeah, y'all see it. I'm about to have it on this. I don't know why that Honda tried that. She sound too good, bro. I don't even want to do too much. Sound too good, bro. Sheesh. I'm gonna probably do a pull. That's how I try to mess the video up. I did not mean to do that. Sorry. Did not mean to do that, G. I hope y'all can really hear me for real, but let me talk to y'all. I do appreciate all the views, all the comments, all the positive comments, and everyone who's in tune to my YouTube. I just started not too long ago, you feel me? Getting some good numbers. Really appreciate y'all. But I do need y'all to drop more ideas to me. I need more ideas, more ideas, more ideas. I got a lot stored up, but I just want more ideas. So I can just drop. I'm just trying to drop. Trying now. Mom had to interrupt the video again. Should be popping for y'all. Should low-key slip just a little bit, not really though. So I got that traction control off because them pulls be crazy. She be trying to get up out that hole. She be trying to get up out that hole, man. But yeah, like I was saying, I want y'all to comment more, You feel me? Have conversations, because I try to respond to each and every one of y'all comments. I be busy for real, but I be trying to respond. Stay in tune with my supporters. You know what I mean? For real. I need comments on ideas, just car talk, and follow my Instagram at Vq.Stino. Stino. But I don't know if I'm just the best Infiniti driver, but like I only got a muffler delete for real, and I don't be like, I'll be on YouTube. Before I got the muffler delete, I was on YouTube contemplating on if I should just stick with the muffler delete, because it didn't seem that loud over the phone for real. I gotta close that before it rang, but it ain't seem too loud on the YouTube videos. I don't know if it's just an in-person thing. You gotta hear it in person, but this motherfucker sound good. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the quad tips. It should be popping. I'm gonna teach y'all how to pop y'all car too. Infiniti, I don't know if it works for other cars, but I'm gonna teach y'all. Ain't no way they playing that right now. Dude, Dennis, you gotta get shorty, I mean. I hope it don't copyright me. Nah, I'm gonna just talk. Oh, I'm gonna just keep talking, cause I can hear it still. That shit knocking, and I can't even play my music. Cause let me get out of there. She be getting up out the hole, bruh. Up out the hole. I hate when cars do this. Like if you going past them, please hurry up. Let me slow down, man. Let me go ahead and slow down, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just a quick little short clip. Just wanted to test out the GoPro. It's in 5K right now. GoPro Hero 9. Wow. We might have smoke. That's just a little V6 Charger, I think, with pink headlights. How long he stay third?